Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out in Runaway Bay and we're giving you an update on the Palm Beach villas. Now the development looks like it's finished. I don't see any construction going on. Very nice development out in Runaway Bay. It's actually right beside where they're building a new Royalton Hotel. So this development is on 21 acres and each unit is a villa. And Runaway Bay is one of the fastest growing areas in Jamaica. Doesn't have as much homes, etc., as Draxall, but it definitely has a lot of development. Probably the second fastest growing area on the north coast for sure. You have hotels being built out here in Runaway Bay. In Draxall, the one thing you can notice is they don't have any hotels in Draxall. In Miami Bay, next door to Draxall, you have hotels. But Runaway Bay has a lot of hotels in the pipeline and a lot of residential developments like what we're looking at. Okay, so we're going to go through and give you an update on what's happening here. And since we're talking about hotels in Runaway Bay, Grand Bahia, the largest hotel in Jamaica, is located in Runaway Bay. But very impressive the way Runaway Bay is being developed. Palm Beach Villas in Runaway Bay is one of Jamaica's newest and most exclusive beachfront communities. Built on over 21 acres of private coastline, the development features a limited number of modern villas designed for luxury, privacy, and full resort-style living. Each villa is built with clean, contemporary architecture, large windows, open layouts, private pools, and outdoor spaces that face the sea. Construction emphasizes strength and durability with reinforced concrete, hurricane-rated roofs, and impact-resistant glass to handle coastal weather. The community offers high-end amenities including a private, white sand beach, clubhouse, gym, spa, tennis courts, and 24-hour security. With only a small number of villas planned, Palm Beach Villas feels peaceful and exclusive, unlike the more crowded parts of the North Coast. Located between Ocho Rios and Montego Bay, the development benefits from strong tourism growth and new infrastructure along the North Coast. Because of this, Palm Beach Villas has quickly become one of the most desirable real estate investments in St. Ann, combining modern design, beachfront living, and long-term value in one of Jamaica's prime locations. Alright guys, let us know what you think, and if anybody knows what the sales are like for this development, let us know. Alright guys, have a good day.